For today's video, we're gonna be playing Minecraft with my sister. And by the way, I have realistic mods, and we're gonna be building a secret base.
We're gonna be a human.
What? Okay, I have 63 cobblestone.
Give me some.
Okay.
Akin yung lahat eh.
Okay.
Okay, salamat.
Okay. Hey, what the heck? Na.
Bro!
Na. Guys, I'm just gonna build. Ay, wait lang, mag-ano. I'm just gonna mine some stone. I'm gonna mine. Bro, I'm just gonna mine stone from. I'm just gonna mine stone. Bro, I'm just gonna mine stone. Bro, there's a freaking trader in the freaking water. Wait, I'm just gonna mine some stone. I'm gonna build another axe. Another pickaxe. Where's my freaking cobblestone?
Build mo ko ano. Stone shovel.
Grabe, ang galing. Ano ka, mayak-mayanan. Ay, mayak-mayanan. I'm just gonna teleport to my sister. Ow, I forgot.
Why?
Bro, I'm just gonna teleport. I'm gonna add you a little something.
Huwag ka na gumawa ng crafting table ah. Uy, ano ba?
Tutulungan kita.
Huwag na nga, okay na yan.
Bro, wala akong enough na cobblestone para mag-build ng ano ba to?
Oo, bibigyan kita oo.
Okay. Bigyan ako. Tangku. 34. Na. Ay, baliw. Meron pala akong 4 sticks. I forgot I have 42 sticks. Okay. I'm gonna craft this. Wait, I need the crafting table. Ay, thank you. Wait lang. Wait, nasan? Ay, ang dami naman. Dami, parang abs. Okay, I'm gonna make something. Shovel. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait. I forgot. Wait. Oh, na. I want to be like Wally Bear. Wait, ano ulit gusto mo? Oh, na. Alam mo na. Oh, na. Put your hands up here and name on the bow. Bro, I was not done. Okay, ito na yung ano mo. Okay, here you go. Bro, kuha mo na. Ito na yung ano mo. Bro, di ako, inaano mo yung charge ko. Ito yung shovel. Ito, wait lang. Okay, ito na. Hi, bulag. I'm gonna mine some. Wait, kailangan natin ng bubong. Kailangan natin ng bubong. Bro. Here you go. What the? That's weird. Okay. I guess I'm just gonna keep doing that over and over again. Okay, I'm not a wretch. Oh, no. Oh, give me that. Bro, give me that. Ooh, na na na. Put your hands on me, na 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 na. Na na na. Bro, I need that. 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 Bro, I messed up again. Wait, I need more wood. Okay, let's just, I don't think that's my wood. That's the wood. We're talking about it. Oh, I forgot. We need axes. Axe is my favorite thing in Minecraft. Especially netherite enchanted. Especially if they're enchanted. Ooh, na na na. Put your hands in the air and the sickest sound. Ooh, na na na. I love how Wally Bear says oh na na na. If you're watching this, Wally Bear, I love how you say oh na na na. Oh na na na. Oh na na na. Oh na na. Oh na na na. Oh na na na. Oh, I forgot. Okay, let's just do it. Okay, let's get our nicknames. Okay, ano gusto mo nickname? Si Wally Girl and I'm Wally Kid. So you're Wally Girl and I'm Wally Boy. I'm Wally. Wally. Oh, I forgot. It's all too much. I want to. I'm getting out of here. Zucchini. Bro, I always mess up. If I mess up again. No. Bro, stop messing up. I don't need to mess up. I need to messy. Inkarmesi. Apat na lang. 1, 2, 3. Isa na lang. 4. Okay. So, here is our house. I know it's a little bit harsh. We need some windows. We need sand. We need lava, I think. And then, we're just gonna coal. We need some, wait, sand. I think, yes. Now that's glass. You need tempered. There's a lot of glass in Minecraft. There's colored glass and there's tempered glass. And here's our house. And I know it's we're gonna place it with some. Wait, if we we're just gonna mine some wood. Never mind. What do we do now? I think we need is to attack mobs. And then we get food and then we get. Oh yeah. Bye. Shit. Fue. Okay. So I think we need something. Oh, pwede ako gumawa ng painting. Okay, may painting na tayo. Ay, no, may painting na. I don't have any sticks. Oh, I forgot I have one. I don't have that. Sorry. or not. You don't even know when to talk. Okay, that's our painting. What painting is that? And then we need, yeah, I know. We need some light out of there. I'm just gonna wait. I think we need something. Bro. Wait, I know it. I know. Hindi, Wait, there's a cat. There's a leopard. I'm just gonna teleport to you if I got lost. Okay, so many daisies. I know. We don't need that. There's another leopard. Na na na. Put your hands in the air. Okay, there's watermelons. So nice. Okay. Okay. There I have so many watermelons. I love watermelons. Especially if they don't have seeds. Guys, look at this. Bro, I have so many. I have 35 watermelon. 41. 47. 50. Okay, how many now? 62, 63, 64. Bro, I have so many watermelons. Gosh. Watermelons. Damn dami kong watermelons. I have so many watermelons. Oh, there's a pink sheep. Oh, it's a pig. I'm gonna kill you. Bro. Bro. Are you dumb? What are you doing? Are you serious right now, bro? I'm just gonna teleport to my sister. Bro, where are I? Where's our? I have watermelon. Sister Echo. Come here. Oh, that's sand. We have sand. Okay. We have just dig straight down and then what's this? What's this? I hope we find a treasure chest. Wait, I'm gonna dig down. Of course, I'll never go with sand. Mr. Sandman. Whoa, that's hard. Wait, we need some coal to get glass. Tempered. Whoa, what are you doing? You're finding for coal? Torch, not torch. Wala pa akong sand. I'm just gonna... Bro, dito. Bulag. Bro, dito lang. And, I'm just gonna dig. Wait. I'm just gonna mine some sand. Mr. Sandman. It's on a beast. Mr. Sandman, running to Mars already. Mr. Sandman. My freaking sand has gone. Wait, do I have sand? What the frick? Wait, I need this. Bro, bilis mo. I'm just gonna teleport to my house. Bro, there's a turtle. I'm sorry, turtle. You need to go underwater. I don't want to see turtles. I'm gonna teleport to my house. Yeah, my house is right there. It's like a freaking jungle. Was there a freaking bear? I guess my sister. Okay, we need windows for like this, and boom. What if we made a glass house? Especially when wait, I have 1 XP. Oh god. Yeah, 1 XP. But why are you creative? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm charging by the way. And guys, this is my avatar. This is my skin. As you can see right there. I'm riding a chicken and I'm a laptop. Okay. So
May cone na tayo.
what? Okay. Can I have some? I gave you wool.
Oy, saglit.
Can I see? Bro.
Sa bahay, saglit.
Okay, I'm just gonna boom. Bro, I already drowned. I hate it. Bro, give me some.
Kulang.
Give me some. What do you mean? What do you mean kulang? Okay, I'm just gonna put the sand there. But I'm gonna okay, I'm gonna make. Why do I need so many? That's so many. Okay. I'm just gonna grab some sand. I'm gonna do like my sister did. Okay, let's start in 3, 1. Meron akong melon slice. Okay. I need sand. Mr. Sandman. We need sand. We have glass?
Ay, wala.
Okay, how many are sand? Okay, we have 31. So we need more coal, more sand. That's the more we have sand. Yeah, we're cooked. No, I'm cooked. I'm freaking cooked. No, I don't even need this cobblestone anymore. Put your hands in the I love Chick Pickle. I love Chip Pickle. I love Ali. I love Wally Bear. I have so many things in my inventory. Okay. Oh my gosh. I hate water, but I want to go in the shower. Wait. Patingin nga ng glass. Can I help you? Okay, that's good. That's good. That's a goodie. I'ma fall. Yeah, we have glass. Bro, make some glass. Bro, gawa nga ako. Kukang. Okay.
Hindi na kailangan mo.
Meron? Dagdagan natin.
Na.
Okay. Okay, how many minutes left? I don't wanna be evil. Gawa pa tayo dyan sa dito. What do we have here? Bro, what? Need bamboo. Okay, painting, lever, watermelon. I don't need that. I want watermelon. Take gusto mo watermelon? Take gusto mo watermelon? Ayaw mo? 64 yung watermelon ko. Okay. Ay, paano ka nakagawa ng chest? Bro, realistic. It's too realistic. Okay, magre-refill ako coal.
Uy, meron na talaga lahat.
Lahat? Okay, ano pang natin? Ano pang gagawin? Paano ko nagawa ng lantern? Ay, na creative. Of course. Of course, we don't need that all. Wait, we need to get creative mode first. Okay, kukuha lang ako weapon.
Uy, bawal.
Hindi, wag. Kailangan natin pinto. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Pinto, pagito, pinto, alimango sa pinto. Okay, what else do we need? You might as well need some. Oh, I'm sorry for the mic. This I'm a survival now. Ano, iron? Hindi, ano pala? Okay. Okay. What? Tambagal. Tingin nga pag stone. Bilis. Brother sheep. I need your meat. I need your meat. I need your meat, bro. Bro, I need your meat. I need your meat. I need your meat, bro. You don't get it. Okay, I'm just gonna teleport to my shish. Nope. But I have iron pickaxe. I'm gonna go back. Why? That's bro. Just why? Why do we even walk in the jungle? Na. That's my house. That's our house. My charger, bro. Oh my gosh. Put your hands in the air and the shaker shout. And the shaker shout. The shaker shout. Why is there a freaking bat? Is that a walkable? Ito may bat. May mga bat. Ay, ba't may sinarado yung pinto? Gay. bro. Let's do this glitch. Bro, saan galing yung bat? Ang cute. Bro, if I... Bro, you don't do it like that. Bro, pabayaan mo sila. Ang cute ka mo nila. By the way, paano sila nakapasok? Hoy. Let me see my old house. Oh, I knew it. Oh, never mind. Oh, yes. Ito pala yung bahay ko. Bro, I'm so dumb. Bro, I knew it. Never mind. This is so much better. By the way, this is my survival world. Tayo maglagay lang ako ng storage. How many blocks is this? 1, 2, 3. Just 3. 1, 2, 3. Why do I even have dirt? Yeah, sure. We need cobblestone. Never mind. I'm never gonna go back. Never go there, and I'll go here. I'm gonna put some storage. My coal! Bro, my coal. Meron akong coal. Bro, is this a vein? Yeah, bro, it's a vein. Bro, it's a vein. It's a vein. Bro, it's a vein. It's a vein. It's a vein of coal.
Easy mo nga. Easy. Easy mo nga. Easy.
Bro, my coal.
Easy mo.
Okay. Easy. Yes, sir.
Ay, dami.
What?
Gutom ka ba?
Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna close this for now.
Anong iron meron ka?
Iron sword, iron axe, iron pickaxe. There's everything. Bro, di mo naman kinuha yung coal.
Uy, kumukuha na yung iron dyan sa inventory. Ay, sa chest.
Meron na nga akong iron eh. Of course, if we will implore me to stay. This is literally like the first Minecraft video I've ever had, and I added realistic mods. I don't know if I said that in the first. Bro, look at that graphics. Look at the graphics. Bro, look at the trees. Check mo yung trees. Tingnan mo. Looks so realistic yung dyan. Bro, see? Broski. Bro. What? Bro. What the? Bro, I never knew there. Well, I need beef. I need beef. I need pork. Yeah, Bismillah.
Meron talaga dun sa
Bro, I don't care. I forgot I have leather. The leather outside is grateful. That grateful. Oh. Okay, I need something. I need something that could help me. Rose, a pass. Yeah, I like pigs. Takot, duwag. Yan, nasa bahay ka?
wala.
Wala din ako sa bahay.
Bro, nandito ako.
Alam ko na nga yung bahay eh. It's literally in west. Ay, north. Anong Minecraft to?
Wala pa naman ako ano.
Bro, it's literally right there, guys. Look, guys. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
Bro, naligaw ako.
There's a ball. Sakto. Ano yan? Butterfly.
Wala, naligaw ako.
Ano yan? Ay. Kala ko barbed wire. Bro, teleport ka kaya sa akin?
Wala nga niya akong teleport.
Ano teleport? Ay, lagot.
Wala ko.
Scale yan. Okay, look at the sun, guys. It's literally a cube. Like I said so. Bro, I lit. Nah, never mind. Ow. Ooh, superpowers. I'm gonna replace these with cobblestone. Wait, I just noticed. The more I mine, the infinite. But oh, bro, I knew it. Huh? Yeah, that's mine. O, diba sabi sa'yo eh. Teleport yan eh. Yeah. And I just, boom. I simply smart man, she got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I take the rabbit every time I hit the hookah. Boom. I go. I was in my room, cheating, playing with my brother. Never mind, bro. I just wanna hit my mama. Kaboom. Kabow. Kabloom. Wonder star, freeze dance. La la. Ay, coal. I forgot there was coal. Oh, there was more coal. Dilim. Is that coal? Bro, I'm blind.
Ano ba kayo na yung sinisira na yung bahay?
Akin naman to. Grabe, di ako nakaalis ah. I-replace ko ng cobblestone para maganda. Shift my pair, diga. Oh, bro, it's pork. It's a little Literal stick. Wait, what? Literal. Bro, isip ko nga to. Okay, that's better. By the way, wait, I have a heart. Oh my gosh. Like, I'd like something. Bro, I need apples. Sarado. Bro. Yeah. I'm gonna put this with coal. Wait, what? Oh. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. Yay, 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 yay. No, I'm just kidding. Put that back. Oh, put that back. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yep, there's definitely skeletons. So, how about we do the same? You freaking. Yeah, I'm dead. Are you stupid? Stupid. Bro, my house is literally right there. Are you freaking? You're a freaking idiot. Yeah, I'm out. Okay, bye guys.